Hi guys, for the very first time on YouTube in front of camera, I'm going to share my CA Inter journey May 2013, almost 12 years back from now, where I got 6 out of 7 exemptions. Sir, what are you saying, sir? Yes. Those days we had only 7 papers in CA Inter. We used to call it CA IPCC. Sir, what, sir? You will easily get, sir. You are studying. No, guys. In class 10, I got only 75 percentage. I promise. In class 12, I got only 89 percentage. My rank was 7 or 8 from the last. I was someone who used to get out of class of 50 students, 43rd or 44th rank. That was my mark. I got commerce seat not because I wanted commerce, because I could not get science. In my school, they said, okay, you go and sit in the commerce class. Anyway, fine, CA was decided, so I came to commerce. Also, you can add on. I want to help May and September 2025 students to plan early from now itself. Sir, what are we going to do over here? Very simple. I'm going to share my journey. In March 2012, I wrote my 12th boards. I still remember those days, how the board exam result and all came. I still remember that moment, guys. Even though 12th marks today is of no use after 13 years, but that memory is strong in my head. I'm sure it is the same for you. After clearing 12th, within few months, I had CA CPT. Those days we used to call it CPT. Fortunate enough, we didn't have to write, just ticking. Of course, negative marking is there. I ended up with 124 out of 200 marks. We didn't have aggregate also. So even if I failed in maths, it's okay. All I had to get was 100 out of 200 and I got it somehow. Then August 2012, I started my CA Inter, again CA IPCC. I was just playful studying. First 1 month went off like that. And I had a game changing moment in September 2012. Not the game changer movie, guys. அந்த படத்தை பார்க்காதீங்க அப்படின்னு நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். Watch the movie, don't watch the movie, your choice. I'm going to watch the movie, whatever it is, guys. But September 2012 was the game changer in my life. In my school football team, I was part of the football team as a goalkeeper. Okay. The whole year, the team played around 20 to 30 matches. I didn't play even one match. I was the substitute goalkeeper. Then the captain, one fellow was there. Okay. One match, the main goalkeeper was injured. So I thought, okay, at least this match I will get chance. I was substitute waiting in sideline. He didn't allow me to play. He kept somebody else who was not even a goalkeeper. So in those 20-30 matches, I was sitting on the bench, substitute goalkeeper, and seeing. Of course, he was the big guy in school, so I couldn't do anything much. Then when CA around September, I met him in Annanagar, Chennai, one place, one day outside. He asked, hey, what are you doing now? It has been almost 6 months in school days. I told I am doing CA Inter. Then he started laughing on my face, not behind my back. On my face, he started laughing and told, நீ எல்லாம் எப்படி பாஸ் CA pass பண்ணுவ? How you will clear CA? He looked at me and he laughed. That day I decided, okay, at least to prove this one fellow in school, anyway, class 11 and 12, he was torturing me. I was not able to play. At least for this one fellow, I have to pass. And then that remaining 7-8 months of my preparation from around September ending, every day I did only one thing. I used to wake up, class, study, and sleep. And when I wrote my May exams, believe me, guys, these 7 to 8 months, even till today, are the best 7-8 months of my life. It was so damn hard, but I have no regrets. Those 7-8 months has only made who I am today. I had given my best in those 7 to 8 months. I found a purpose. Of course, after clearing, I never went to him. But after clearing, when the results came, I still remember, results came in July 2013. I was 100% sure that I will pass. There was no doubt. I was very confident I will pass. I got 461 out of 700. I missed the rank by around 10 or 15 marks. In the next attempt, in November 2013, the student who got that much marks got some all India rank, some 42 or something. Okay, I didn't get a rank in that attempt, but I was very confident I will pass. It was only a question of rank or not a rank. Now, why am I saying this? In this entire journey, there was one thing which actually helped me clear. What is that, sir? One thing, nobody will give it importance. Remember class 12? In the academy where I was studying, they used to conduct a lot of weekly tests. Let's go back to class 12. Do you remember unit test 1 to 3, getting deja vu, quarterly exam, half yearly exam, pre board exam, and then only you wrote board exam? That many times you practiced and then you wrote the main exam. In CA, all my friends, those who are writing in May and September 2025, how many tests have you written so far? Directly you will go sit in the exam as if it's the main test. So what I will tell you guys, even I used to fail in these tests, no problem. But in the main board exam we passed the. So what I want you to do is, for CA, I want you to write a lot of tests. Even if you don't pass, just write, which brings a discipline. That's what I'm going to introduce over here. Dira Bridge test for all the CA students, whichever attempt you are writing. Sir, what is this? Today you guys have 6 subjects, correct? Not 7 like me, you have only 6. 3 plus 3. For each subject, we will give you 7 tests. First time, you will write the full syllabus, 4 tests into 25%. One time you finish studying. Then second time, we will write the syllabus, 2 tests into 50% syllabus. And last will be like your pre-board exam, 1 test of 100% syllabus. That means in these 7 tests, you are going to revise the syllabus 3 times. We will revise 3 times. Sir, how do we find this? What is this Dira test all about? You might be having some more questions. When to write, where to write. But before that, I will show you. You just have to go to CA Classroom website and then you have to click on test series. And then once you come to test series, you will find for May 25. Similarly, you will find for September 25. I am showing demo with May 25. You can see both groups or one subject. If you want one subject, you can just choose, okay, I want any 2 subjects. Choose which subject that you want. Or if you want one group, you can just take one group, which is just 1499. Sir, what is the syllabus? Look at this. For example, if I take advanced accounting, I have given you the breakup. Over here, you can see 4 tests, correct? You can see test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. Doesn't mean you have to write test 1 first. You can write any test whenever you want. Test 1, this is the syllabus. Test 2, this is the syllabus. Test 3, this is the syllabus. Test 4, this is the syllabus. Some students, what they will do, they will write Law Test 2, LLP, Share Capital and Prospectus. And then they will write Accounts Test 4, because each student will study in a different order. So you can also mix the test. You can write Accounts Test 3 plus Law Test 4. Your choice. You can write whichever test you want. For example, Tax Test 1, you can write along with Law Test 4. Any combination of your choice. Let me answer a few FAQ for you guys. When to write any time of your choice and upload on the website the scanned answer sheet. We will correct and give it to you. How long the evaluation will take, sir? 3 to 4 business working days. During some festival times, maybe another extra 1-2 days, but not more than that. Where to write? Anywhere. Your choice. If you are in Chennai, we also have offline option. You can come to Pragya CA classes, which is in Royapeta, and then you can write. Regarding that, once you take the test series, we will intimate that in the WhatsApp group. Mentoring, every student will have a personal mentor for schedule. Meaning, sir, I am very confused, sir, which test to write when. The mentor will help you prepare the schedule and create something called a customized schedule for you. They will create a customized schedule, and we will also follow up, are you writing the test. So what will happen, you will start preparing based on this syllabus over here for accounts, these 4 tests. Like this, you will start preparing according to this, and then you will also start planning to write the test based on this. So what will happen for your May exams and September exams, you will be much faster by writing a lot of quarterly, half yearly and pre-board exams before the main exam. So these test series will bring discipline in you, and that's about it, guys. Along with this, I'm sure you will already be knowing about our Fusion subscription. To know about the killer Fusion subscription and CA Inter subscription, you can check the video in description, where in that video I will explain in detail about what is the subscription, how it is connected with the test series. Thank you, guys. So looking forward for you guys to do your exams and all of that well. For whichever attempt it is, May or September, plan well, you will definitely perform. Thank you so much.